My name is Dervish, Sam Dervish. Here's the deal. I just moved here with my parents, so it's my first day at a new school. Listen, it can be hard to make new friends with my dad's job moving us around every few months, but I think this year is gonna be really good. And I'm really excited because I think it's gonna be my fresh start.
Psst. You're the new kid, right? Pam?
Actually, it's Sam.
Oh, Sam. Well, just looking at you, I can tell that you're gonna need a lot of help fitting in at this school. But, lucky for you, I'm looking for a new best friend.
That's great.
Right? Okay, well, let me introduce you to some of our classmates. Over there, we have... Over there is... Here we have...
Over there, those are the popular kids. And that's Bianca. Let's just say you don't want to get in her way.
Oh, well, who's that?
That's Kelly. But don't get any ideas. She and Bianca have been together since 7th grade. If you go anywhere near her, Bianca will obliterate you.
Okay, well, who are they?
Oh, don't worry about them. They don't talk much. So what'd you get?
Chicken sandwich.
Oh, it's not actually real chicken.
What?
It's like this sort of mystery meat.
Well. What do we have here?
Look, we don't want any trouble.
I'm a couple of dollars short of lunch money. Fess up.
Excuse me?
Give me your money.
Why would I?
Now.
What? I don't...
Now.
Ugh, you didn't even hit him. Again.
Now.
More realistic. Again.
What? What?
Now. Now.
Again.
Now.
Again.
Now.
Again.
Now. Now. Now.
Stop it.
Now. 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 Now.
This isn't working.
Sam. Sam! Sam! Finally, somebody's up. Looks like somebody's got a bad case of the Mondays. All right, everyone listen closely. We're gonna dissect a frog today, and Sam's gonna demonstrate. Come on. Come on. Uh-oh, who replaced our frog cadavers with a banana?
What?
Play your role. Science, silly.
You will, and you can.
Too dark.
Kelly was my girl a while ago. She died.
Too corny. Too cliche.
Hurting me.
We're done.